Hey guys, Mr. Corcoran here. Just going to give a quick overview of what you're going to be doing this week. So the week is March 23rd through the 27th. So we're going to be continuing optimization. You guys watched a quick video on it last week. I know it's just a different type of problem, but what's nice is that optimization is really just like related rates, except for we're not dealing with rate of time. We're using something like finding the maximum and minimum volume or area or some type of relationship that we have in that type of sense. You guys actually did an optimization problem earlier in the year when you guys made those boxes that you guys ended up wearing as hats anyways. But that was an optimization type of problem. You were taking a piece of paper and you were optimizing the maximum volume that paper could create into when you're turning it into a box. So you guys kind of already had this started, which is kind of nice. If you can kind of go back and think about that, I do have a link to a video later. It's a Khan Academy video that he goes through and does the same kind of problem that you guys already did. So that's kind of a good way to kind of look at what you've done and how you can use that moving forward. But kind of a quick overview, we're going to be doing that. This is the last section of derivatives. After this, we get a little bit more into, we started the Riemann sums a few weeks ago. What's actually nice is that we started that so that we can kind of flow right into looking at anti-derivatives and integrals and different things like that starting next week. But I feel like this is a really good, that there are always optimization problems on the AP and IB exams. So just kind of make sure that we're doing this. There will be a couple worksheets that you'll be doing throughout the week. Don't worry, it's not too much. I kind of cut those back. So hopefully, what's nice is that there's actually zero staples because you're just opening up a PDF. So, take the positives out of that. So zero staples, guys, get pumped. And then we will be doing a Google Hangout on Tuesday. So during your class schedule time at 9:10 on Tuesday, there's a link right there. I will be emailing you this sheet as well. So you can kind of go through and just click on all this stuff. If for some reason your internet's not working, you can also, or at that time, you can always use this PIN as well. So you just call in that number, that 574 number, and then you enter that whole PIN with the pound at the end. And I don't think a video comes up, but you can still go through and talk. So just make sure when you enter the chat that you disable your microphone or just turn it off. Because if we got 15 guys in there and everyone's trying to talk at the same time, I'm not going to be able to hear what anyone's saying. So just if you want to talk, just turn it on and then talk, but then just turn it right back off. I think the feedback gets pretty crazy on that too. So kind of work to do that you guys will be doing this week. 2 worksheets are open for you to begin. I will be including those in the email that I just sent you. So you just click on those. They are just quick documents, so I couldn't include them on this page, but they are in your email. So there will be 2 that you can get started on if you want on Monday. Those are due on by Thursday night. You're not turning them in. I'm trusting you guys that you are doing them. I'm cutting them down. I don't want to have to start collecting them. I do have your guys' tests graded. I tried scanning them and then it failed to send it to my email. So scanned over 100 pieces of paper and the next thing you know, it didn't work. So I'm going to just take pictures of those and send them to you guys so you can see those as well. What will I say? So I will have a Google Hangout on Wednesday or Thursday, maybe both days for you guys. So you can come on and ask questions on the worksheets if you have them. If you don't, that's up to you. But then also the quiz that you guys will be taking, I will open that up on Thursday for you guys. There are notes on optimization. So those 2 links right here, if you click on either of those open up to my notes. I will be sending out videos for those on Monday and Tuesday. So the notes 1 I'll send out Monday. The notes 2 I'll send out Tuesday, how I went through and did all those. So you can have those as well to help you with the optimization problems as you go through and do them in the worksheet. So I will open a summative quiz on Thursday. It has to be completed by Friday night. So you'll have Thursday or Friday. Just know that when you open it, kind of set aside 30 minutes to an hour. It will be, I believe it's 7 questions that you're going to go through and do. It's on all just derivatives and optimization type of problems. There'll probably be 3 or 4 optimization problems and then 3 or 4 just regular derivative, derive this using the product rule or the quotient rule or the chain rule, different things like that. And then on the bottom, I included some resources for you as well. So there are a couple of videos there. The last one, the notes, I know I've talked to a couple of guys about this already. The Lamar.edu is called Paul's Notes. I use that a lot. I've been using that since I found it, probably 10 years ago. But it's a great resource, a bunch of different types of notes. So whenever I go to help me find something, I'll just type in like optimization Lamar, and these notes will pop up, and they're really detailed. They give you a bunch of different types of problems that you can look at and kind of see as they go through. It's just something that's helped me out a lot as well. So. Also, just look out for tomorrow. I will be sending out another competition for you guys. I know a couple of you guys, Marty, and a couple of my Algebra 1 guys actually got a couple replies, but no one got 2 replies. So no one actually won the Friday competition, but I'll be sending out another competition tomorrow for you guys as well. So any questions, remember I'm always available on email. And if you ever want to talk on Google Hangouts, just send me an email letting me know, and we can do it that way. So other than that, you guys have a good Sunday. Stay healthy and go Eagles. So we will see you guys later.